Are you ready to make a killer first impression and attract your dream clients? Your intro video is your digital handshake for the first step of building trust and making connections before you even meet the person. Welcome, my name is Norman Lloyd Kinsey III, CEO and co-founder of Liftoff Agent. We came up with 6 steps in today's video, and if you stay into the end, we're gonna give you the specific guide. Thank you so much for connecting with us and watching today's YouTube video. Okay, step number 1. The first thing you want to think about is your message. You want to keep it short and you want to keep it sweet and to the point. You want to make sure that before you hit record, ask yourself these 4 things. And I have a 5th thing, which is going to be a pro tip. Who are you? Name, broker, and what makes you unique. I'm a dog lover. I love to hike. I love to jump out of planes. I'm a food lover. Things to think about. Number 2 is who do you help? First-time homebuyers, luxury homebuyers, investors, people that relocate. And number 3, why should people work with you? At the end of the day, you want to make sure that you are giving them your personality, your passion when you deliver why someone should work with you. Number 4 is what next steps. Make sure to have a call to action like let's connect, follow me for more tips. And here's going to be your 5th and pro tip. So pro tip is keep it under 60 seconds to maximize the engagement, and also under 60 seconds won't limit you to post this on any platform, okay? Number 2, so let's talk a little bit about setting the scene that you're gonna film your video in. First thing to think about when setting the scene is finding good lighting. Natural lighting works the best, so make sure that you're facing a window or you have a ring light. Number 2 within this category is pick a clean and a branded background. So office or a workspace or a beautiful listing would be a great opportunity for you to film this content. You wanna think about making sure that you are gonna be dressed the part. So wearing something that's comfortable and making sure that you are representing your brand. If you have certain colors, for me, it's a bow tie and that represents my brand. So while I'm filming this video, I have just that. A pro tip is avoid any noisy background. So you don't want to have any noise in the background and you want to make sure that you don't look blurry. And I would also make sure that your lens is clean on your device that you're using, okay? Number 3, sound matters because you want to make sure you're using a mic or you're standing close to the camera when filming, because bad audio equals people scrolling away. And you could use a clip-on mic. Pro tip is making sure that you have clarity with good energy and you're excited to film the content that you're filming because it's really gonna bring it together full circle. Number 4 is you wanna showcase your personality. You wanna be you. You wanna make it fun because people buy from someone they know, like, and trust. And if they see that you're loving your job and loving what you're doing, they're gonna be more excited to work with you. Smile, be enthusiastic when it comes to being you. You wanna make sure that you use your hands gently, naturally. Don't be over the top when filming these videos. Keep a warm tone, a friendly, confident approach when filming the videos. And a pro tip is imagine talking to your dream clients on the other end of the camera. Number 5 is record and edit like a pro. You don't need fancy gear here. You just need a smartphone plus good lighting equals magic. At the end of the day, editing apps can keep it fun and professional. You could use InShot. I personally love InShot. I have it on my Android and I use that for editing any of my personal videos at Mr. Liftoff. Number 2, great for TikTok and Instagram Reels, which is CapCut. Number 3, you could use iMovies to keep it simple. And a pro tip is add subtitles because not everyone's gonna be watching your videos with the audio on. Step number 6, share it everywhere. Now that you've made an awesome video intro, get it out there. So you wanna upload it to your website. That could be on your homepage or your about page. You also wanna think about where could it go onto for your YouTube channel. So you can put it on your YouTube channel, social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. You want to post that everywhere. You can also put this on your email signature so you can make it super easy for someone to watch your intro video and get a little bit of context of who you are. You want to make sure that you pin this video in various different areas so that way it could be at the top of your Instagram and can be found super simple and very easy. Ready, lights, camera, action. You're officially ready to film film a powerful intro video. Now that you're at the end of the video, there's gonna be this whole entire guide I just went over with you is down below. You can download this, you can go through this process, level up your real estate game. I really hope you found that helpful. If you liked this video, we have lots more just like this. You could subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we have videos come out twice a week, Monday through Friday, and we would love to be able to get your feedback. Thanks so much for your time. I appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one.